beat her fell last week. Jump and Jack Henry for the lead for the Cats. Out of this world, this game. And we've still got a minute left.
She will have to give this everything she's got. Cats need some numbers on the line to make sure it doesn't go through for a rush behind. Marcus steps up and buries it!
Crockett Grills from the pocket. Drills it! Great finish from Crockett Grills.
Boys. Falls to Cameron, tries the step. Myers picks it up beautifully. Got one high, doesn't matter. What a finish that is, Grant Myers. Goal of the day, he's got 3. That was top shelf. Take something special from Jeremy Cameron. Long way from home. Launches onto it! Jeremy Cameron, new star! Barrels it home! And brings the Cat crowd to their feet.
Spins out of a tackle. Now a chance for the Cats to attack. Kick towards that battle one-on-one inside 50. She's now got Ward as an opponent. No one in the goal square. So she turns, bounces it through, and the Cats are back in front.
Good mark as that ball was dropping for Friswell. Plays on, had Clark wide, kick to the teeth of the square. Fist from Hardiman. Numbers with the Cats. Gardner! Cats on the board!
Thumb back. Holmes says feet on, I'll handball it to you. And the first gamer delivers. Oliver Dempsey. First goal in AFL footy.
Here's a chance for Hawkins out of the ruck. It rolls, it rolls, it rolls on through.
Jams it on the boot. Oh, Parra used the body well. She just needs to gather and find the opening. Goes to ground, gets boot to ball.